Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, it's Christmas. If you don't know me, I love Christmas. It's my birthday. Jesus was born. The Christmas trees are out. You know about my Christmas tree game? We'll get into that later on. But yes, it is Christmas. It's the festive season and it is the perfect time to wind down, let loose and enjoy yourself, but also look after your well-being as well. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the activities that you can get up to during this Christmas season in London. But before we get into that, let's do some housekeeping. Be sure to be subscribed if you're not subscribed already. Be sure to like, comment, share this with other people that you think may be interested. And yeah, it will just help me a lot and encourage me to make more videos, because this whole thing is not easy, but I do enjoy it. But it's nice to see engagement from my community. So yes, let's get into it. Right, so I am based in London and I have spent many Christmases in London. So I feel like I have the right advice to give you in terms of things to do in London. So I'm going to share that with you. And also, if you're not from London, please be sure to share in the comments where you are from and what you plan on doing this season in your city in regards to Christmas. Number one, a bit cliche, but one thing you can do this Christmas season in London is go to Winter Wonderland. Go to Winter Wonderland whether you have a bay or not, okay? Everyone is like, oh, you need to have a bay before you go to Winter Wonderland. That's not the case. You can go Winter Wonderland by yourself, do a solo date, or you can go with a friend, or you can go with a group of friends, or you can go with your family. Winter Wonderland caters for all. Of course, it's nice to go with your bae, but you know, some of us haven't got baes, so doesn't mean that we should miss out on Winter Wonderland. Now, Winter Wonderland is based in Hyde Park, which is in central London, and there's different activities that you can do in Winter Wonderland. So there's rides, there's games, there's foods, there's drinks, and there's a lot of Christmas trees. How many times am I going to say Christmas trees? Why do I like Christmas trees? I'll get into that later on. But Winter Wonderland is one of the amazing things that you can do in this festive season. And it opens throughout the whole Christmas season. And I feel like if you haven't been before, it's definitely something to experience. It can be a little bit expensive, but it's all part of the experience. And it only comes once a year. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you get yourself over to Winter Wonderland. The second thing that you can do is ice skating. I love ice skating. Ice skating is so much fun. It can be scary if you're not comfortable doing it, but get out there anyway. But there's different ice skating rinks that pop up throughout London, so you'll be able to find some. I'm sure that you can also book it in advance. And yeah, this is something that you can do with your family. It's safe for kids, or you can do it with your friends or with your partner, whoever. But ice skating is one of the activities that I just feel like it's Christmas. I know you can ice skate throughout the year, you can ice skate during the summer, but there's just something about being around those Christmas lights and doing ice skating. I absolutely love it. I love going to Canary Wharf. I love Somerset House. I love the Natural History Museum ice skating. And I like to go to different rinks every year. And I think last year I went to the Greenwich Museum one, and that was really good as well. So ice skating is one thing that you can do this Christmas. Another thing that you can do this Christmas that will be part of your well-being is to go on a Christmas walk. I did this last year with my friend Marigold, and we had such a good time. And we did the walk from central London, and we took a route that we found on TikTok, and we literally just saw all the Christmas lights on New Bond Street, Old Bond Street, Sloane Square, Piccadilly Circus, Oxford Circus. It was so nice to see how each borough takes Christmas, and some boroughs take it very seriously. Sometimes there is a theme, sometimes there isn't a theme, and there's just loads of lights everywhere. But it's so spectacular to see, because again, this is not something that we have throughout the year. And you get to get your steps in. I believe that day I did about 30,000 steps. So as well as me looking at the lights, I'm looking after myself. I'm doing my well-being. I'm walking, I'm getting my steps in. And honestly, I had such a good time. It was the first time I did it, and we've decided that it's going to be a tradition going forward, that we just go and see the Christmas lights. New Bond Street was so nice. Seeing the different designer stores with all the different colors and lights that they had was amazing. So I would definitely recommend that. And as well as that being part of your well-being, going out for a walk. Of course, if the weather doesn't permit for you to do the walk, maybe don't go. But if it's dry, and it's good to go during the night time, because that's when you really do see the light. So that's one thing that I will highly recommend. Another thing that I like doing, and I travel out of the country for this as well, is to go to the Christmas markets. The best Christmas market I've been to, I believe, was in Austria. But London has got some nice Christmas markets as well. There's one by the Thames, there's one in Covent Garden. There's various Christmas markets that London has. And with Christmas markets, you get to go to different stores, and then you can maybe find some gifts for your loved ones. And it's just really nice being in that sort of atmosphere. Me and my friends, we kind of go on a foodie tour, and we just eat good food and we just stuff our faces. And so yeah, that's another thing that I love during the Christmas season. But I must admit, I believe that the European Christmas markets are much better than London. I'm sorry. It's just that in Austria, they take it very seriously. In Hungary, Budapest, they take it very seriously. Norway, amazing. In Oslo, I had a good time at their Christmas markets as well. So yes, Christmas markets is one thing that I thoroughly enjoy doing. Another thing that I enjoy doing Christmas as well is going to see Christmas shows in the theatre. There are some classic shows. It doesn't have to be the theatre. You could go to the cinema to watch a classic. Home Alone. Home Alone is one of my favourite movies to watch during the Christmas season, because it's just something about when something or a situation happens during Christmas, it's just more dramatic. And I just love watching movies and snuggling up with my friends and just enjoying the atmosphere and watching the good old classics. So there are some pop-up cinemas that are out opening around. You just literally do a quick Google and you should be able to find places where they are showing Christmas movies. Another thing that you can do during the Christmas season is to see the Christmas carols. I do know some charities that do hold some Christmas carols, and it's just so beautiful here to hear the classic Christmas songs, the songs that you hear in church. I remember last year during our Christmas walk, we ended up at a hotel in Piccadilly Circus, and we just caught the choir singing a Christmas carol, and it was so beautiful to hear. I just feel like it's just such a magical time, and it's such a great time to just kind of connect and just appreciate how far you've come in the year, and now we're ready to celebrate this festive season. Another thing that I do like to do during Christmas, and I believe we all like to do this, is shopping. I love going to the mall. I love buying gifts for my loved ones. It can be a bit stressful, so I try to do my shopping a little bit earlier than, leaving it last minute. Are you a last minute shopper, or are you someone that likes to plan in advance? But I do love shopping, and I do like trying out different products that is going to be aiding towards my well-being, because the department stores will have things that are on offer, so you'll be able to try things. Maybe you can get a miniature and then you like a product that you like, and then you can incorporate that into the new year. So shopping is another thing that I do love doing during Christmas. It is fun. It can be stressful, so I'll just say, maybe go first thing in the morning so you can get the shops when they're empty, and then leave by midday. Or maybe you might just do online shopping, but that's something that I do enjoy doing the Christmas season. Now, last but certainly not least in terms of what to do for Christmas is go to Santa's Grotto. This is particularly for the kids. It's for the kids, but go to Santa's Grotto and tell Santa what you would like this year. I love going to Santa's Grotto with my godchildren. We have such a great time, and you get a picture with Santa afterwards. I don't think I've got any pictures with Santa from my childhood. Maybe I do, but I haven't seen it before. But I definitely love doing that with the kids. And Christmas is for the kids. Kids love Christmas, and I believe that it's just a time to spend with the young ones and let them embrace the season and take them out onto all of these different activities that I have mentioned as well. If you don't have kids, you can also do these activities. There's all these activities I have done without kids or with kids. So that's one thing. Visit Santa's Grotto. Give him your list so that you can figure out what you're going to get on Christmas Day. So yeah, these are some of the activities to do in London. If there's anything that I have missed out, please let me know. I was born and raised in London, so London is what I know. So if you are from another city that embraces Christmas as well, please do share in the comments and let me know what you're doing to help your well-being during this festive season. It's very important to look after yourself. It's very important to take it slow and not to get stressed out and burnt out, because we need you. We need you in good health on Christmas Day and also for the rest of the year and into the next year as well. So yes, please do remember to look after yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be coming up more with more Christmas content because, as I said, this is my season. This is where I'm shining. Right now, I'm just being, a little bit chill, but this is my season. This is where I shine, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.